Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. This is Roberto from the USA. And today, tunghayan po natin ang growing men-to-men short videos on YouTube. Parang kahapon lamang, but it was 2013 when GMA Television Network have produced a teleserye called My Husband's Lover, which was a real big hit at the time. Interesting enough, after the teleserye, dumami ng dumami ang mga short men-to-men videos in a form of short movie or parang storytelling. And there is a guy who made a video that went viral. You'll find out who it is. So watch the entire video. Yes, it is Sir Will or Kuya Will. That's how you'll find his channel. And he had made over 200 videos already on YouTube. And then he made one short movie that made 1.5 million views. Here it is.